Hi, I'm Rick. Today I'm going to discuss our Xtreme recovery chargers that charge and recover heavily discharged and sulfated 12-volt batteries, including sealed, AGM, gel, and flooded cell. If you have sluggish batteries that are slow to charge, or a pile of spent batteries, you probably have sulfate buildup on the battery plates, which has suffocated your batteries, preventing them from taking a charge. Our recovery chargers are the solution to removing those sulfates and returning most of your batteries to a like-new condition. There are many reasons to use PulseTech's Xtreme recovery charger. It recovers and charges most batteries previously thought dead. It dramatically extends the life of good batteries. It increases battery power. It prevents and removes sulfate crystals from the battery plates, and it reduces warranty issues. All of our recovery chargers are 12 volts and 6 amps per channel. Each charging channel operates independently, allowing different types of batteries to be charged and recovered at the same time. Each channel profiles an individual battery and automatically cycles through a charge recovery process. Each of our recovery chargers are both voltage and amperage regulated. So these intelligent chargers can be used on any 12-volt battery, and will never overcharge them no matter how long they're left connected. In addition, it's also pulsing the battery to desulfate the plates. You see, over time, sulfates build up on a battery plate. The battery's still good, the acid just can't get through this sulfate layer to the spongy lead plate behind it, and that's why 80% of batteries fail. Our patented Pulse technology has been proven to remove the sulfates and dissolve them back into the battery acid. Now, the battery can accept, store, and release more energy. The Xtreme recovery chargers come in 2, 6, and 12 channels and are very easy to use. Simply attach the clips to each 12-volt battery, then turn on the power switch. The LED indicator lights tell you the status of each battery. It's necessary to use a battery analyzer like our 777 battery tester to determine a battery's exact voltage and CCA status before considering it recovered. On average, our recovery chargers restore 70% of old batteries back to full capacity. MHC Kenworth recovered 14 Optima batteries and saved almost $4,000. Look at the jump in the voltage and the CCA readings after using our SC12. You have enough to worry about, so concentrate on your journey and forget about your batteries. They're in good shape with PulseTech. For more information on our Xtreme recovery chargers, please visit our website at www.pulsetech.net.